Hey guys, happy 2025, y'all. So today as you guys seen, I did my first run today, and I did 8 miles. It was more of a jog, y'all. It was not really running, because I was running like the first mile I did it in like 10 minutes, like 10:25 or something like that. And then the last mile, it was like my 8 mile, I did it like 11:35. So it was just more of a jog. It was not, I really wasn't pushing myself as much because my legs were sore. Like, because I also strength train, guys, and that is what I need to learn, like what to prioritize. Because I feel like you strength train when you lift weights, then it also puts a lot of pressure on your legs because you're also running. But I also understand, like, lifting weights also helps with minimize injuries, especially when you're running, because running is a lot of pressure on your legs, y'all. So like it also, my schedule is kind of like, I don't understand, like it's either I prioritize strength training or running, you understand? I just need to learn how to balance that. But other than that, y'all, it was a good run for the first day of the year, and I feel good. I also changed my outfit because, like, I feel like I always wear the same outfit, like whenever, like, I'm recording. Like when I'm not recording, it's like I wear a different outfit, but like whenever I'm actually doing YouTube video, I always like end up wearing the last outfit that y'all saw me wearing, like last time, but yeah, whatever, the last time I recorded a video. But yeah, so I changed. But yes, so it feels good. I thank God, like seriously, we crossed over to 2025, yo. Because, you know, some people did not make it, and if you made it to 2025, be grateful, thank God. Do better this year too. Have goals, set them, and accomplish your goals. But yes, so let's go inside. I'm about to eat my breakfast because I haven't eaten breakfast yet. Actually, nobody has eaten breakfast yet, so about to eat my breakfast. Kids about to eat their breakfast as well. But yes, guys, so there's my outfit. I had to change just to get a picture. I had to change this just to take a picture. Yo, what is wrong with us women? Tell me, yo, what is wrong with us? Nothing is wrong with us. We're just like that. Hey guys, how y'all doing? It's Pauline here again with another video. I do have a vlog today for y'all guys. It's Saturday morning. I just finished doing a park run and I feel good. If y'all don't know what a park run is, it's actually a group of people, like like we meet up every Saturday 9 o'clock. So there are like, it's all over the world. So depending on where you live, you could always go if y'all have a park run. But yeah, so we got one at Greenbelt, we got one at Anacostia, and another one somewhere else. And I just found out that the mayor has a Fit DC every year. She always has this Fit DC, something like you got either walk or run 5K. That's pretty awesome. I'm trying to get people together, start off their year healthy and stuff. So the park run is always 5 miles. You could either walk or run or jog, whatever works best for you according to your fitness level. So I'm always running or jogging, y'all. So today I ran. However, I'm a little upset of myself because I should have attacked. But I started off real slow. So I know my time is not going to be the best, but it's all right. So maybe next time I'm going to try to attack. You know what I'm saying? Like, if you don't know what attack means, it means like go all out, you know, don't hold anything back. I think the only thing I don't go out is because it's not a competition. You know, it's just people out here trying to have fun. I was trying to get PRs if you have that mindset, or you just trying to come in and, you know, just run a 5K, you know. Yeah, it's like a little running group thingy. If you're a runner, you know what I mean. But yeah, I feel good, y'all. It's Saturday. Did work overnight, so I'm gonna try to eat my breakfast and go to sleep. And when I wake up, I'm gonna try to do a video for y'all, because I really am trying to do well this year with consistency of uploading my videos and just trying to get my subscribers, get more subscribers. So y'all, please help your girl out. Help me get 2,000 subscribers, 3,000 subscribers. And it is cold outside, y'all. It is windy too. Like when we was running, like we were running against the wind, y'all. But we're good. So I'm trying to do an unboxing for y'all. Fashion Nova, my birthday present I got last year, August. I haven't really opened my gifts. Don't ask me why. It's just the time. So I'm gonna do that. But guys, other than that, y'all, I hope you guys have a lovely day. Have a lovely Saturday weekend. Yes. So I'm just trying to eat my breakfast and sleep. But yeah, help your girl out, y'all. Help me share this video. Help me get to 2,000 subscribers, 3,000. You know what I'm saying? It would be really grateful. It's free, by the way. Thank you guys so much. Y'all can see like my hair. It is a mess. I haven't washed my hair in 4 weeks. It's almost 2 months I haven't washed my hair, y'all. So I know it's dirty, but we move, okay? We move. But yeah. So guys, for breakfast, we are going to be having mal alba parenta. It's an Indian chapati. It's really, really good. At first, I didn't really like it, but then when I tried it in the second time, because it was a time where like I was really hungry and, you know, I just was lazy to eat rice and beans. So I had this for dinner and I really liked it. I got hooked on it. So for breakfast, this is what we are going to be having. It actually keeps me full. It has 14 grams of fiber, which is a lot of fiber. I might be wrong. It might be 14%, but I'm not. Yeah, but it's a lot of fiber and it keeps me full. And it's really yummy with some tea, you know. So yeah, you just put it in the pan. It's already cooked. Just put it in the vent pan or the microwave. But I prefer do it the old-fashioned way on a pan, okay? And so that's my breakfast: some sausages, some egg, and some chapati, and some hot tea. So that is what I'm gonna be having for breakfast. It's yummy, and let's enjoy the video. Thanks, y'all. So guys, after washing my face with black soap, you guys can see my face looks really dry. So I will be moisturizing my face with Aquaphor. Right now I'm just, trying to fix my eyebrows and stuff like that. And yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys using Aquaphor Advanced Therapy. Like, I love using this during the winter time because that cold weather be hitting that face. I'm telling you, your face looking all dry and stuff. So Aquaphor moisturizes the face, and also it just adds that nice skin protector, and stuff like that. So my face looks nice, shiny, and protected from the cold. And I put some on the lips because we don't want crusty lips, Yes, feeling good. So I'm going to fix my hair. I actually did redo my hair again, but I did it out of camera because I'm pretty sure y'all tired of watching me doing my hair. But stay tuned for a wash day coming up soon, which I haven't done in a while, guys. I haven't washed my hair. I'm thinking it feels like 2 months. I could be wrong, but like it feels, the last time I did one was a while ago, and I haven't washed my hair since then. And I have been piling on leaving conditioners and my oil and all that stuff, but my hair is still thriving. And it's thriving, y'all. Let me tell you something. The hair is doing well. So guys, I hope you guys are enjoying the video so far. If you are not, let me know down in the comments what you guys like to watch. But if you are, share the video. If it's your first time, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to subscribe. Alright y'all, so we have come to the end of the video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. But yeah, we are going to be watching Squid Games 2 with the boys because they have really traumatized me, asking me when we're gonna watch this Squid Game 2. When I kept on saying no because Squid Game 1, it was just, yeah. So here we are watching Squid Games 2 here with my goldfish, and they got their popcorn, and two of them are watching Squid Games 2 with me. So yes, let's see how this is gonna roll out. But yeah, guys, I truly appreciate each and every one of y'all for your support. And for new subscribers, thank y'all so much for subscribing to my channel. And guys, share the video, comment, like, share. Yes, and we are going to get this channel to 2,000 subscribers and more. Obviously, subscribing is free, so don't hesitate to subscribe to the channel. And I will see you guys on a later video. Thank you guys so much. Till next time, guys. Deuces.